One crypto could make you rich in 2025, and it's not what you might think. Buy now, or miss out. Welcome to HBAR Hashgraph. Hey, it's Adam. Welcome to my financial journey. Everyone's chasing the next big crypto, XRP, Bitcoin, but one's flying under the radar. HBAR. Could it make you rich in 2025? Let's dive in. HBAR network is fast, cheap, and green. Big players like SpaceX are on board, launching satellites on it. It's at 30 cents now, up 50% since January. Hosts on X say it's hit a bullish zone. Coinbase just filed for futures. ETFs are on the way. This isn't hype, it's institutional cash flowing in. Ready to cash in? Step 1. Buy now. Under 35 cents is a steal. Step 2. Target $1 by year end. X predicts a 50% jump soon. Step 3. Hold. So, let's talk about some predictions for this year. What's it worth in 2025? X traders call $4.40 if adoption spikes. Some say $30 long term. Worst case, it holds $1. Speed, tech, and big money back it. This could be your 10x shot. I now hold over 4,000 HBAR, which cost me around £800. When it gets to £1, that £800 turns into 4,000. If it hits £4, that 800 would be worth 16,000. Finally, if the long-term play gets into the £30 range, that £800 investment is worth over 120,000. HBAR is heating up, don't wait. Subscribe. I'm dropping more crypto gold soon. Will it make you rich? You tell me. You have been watching my financial journey. Real crypto, real wins, real financial journey. Hit subscribe and follow my journey throughout 2025. Catch you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.